Hi there, Christoph here. Quick overview of Jam, which is a user-friendly web-based interface for JoinMarket. And the team is currently looking for somebody to design a splash page for them. So what you're looking at here on the screen is my local Umbrel. So I have a Raspberry Pi here that runs Umbrel, which is kind of this local server that runs a Bitcoin and Lightning node, and you can install these other apps. And Jam is one of those apps. And it allows you to make collaborative transactions, because as you may know, the blockchain stores everything forever. And if somebody knows one of your addresses, two of your addresses, maybe some other addresses, they can kind of piece your finances together. And that's, of course, not desirable. And a CoinJoin is a tool that allows you to make transactions together with other people, with kind of anonymously. And in a way that then afterwards, it's not really possible to tell who did what anymore. It kind of breaks some of these heuristics. This tool has been around for some time, but it's not been really easy to use. And now this web-based UI, Jam, that is a project that's all about making this super simple. And that's why, I already can, with a button click here, install it on my Umbrel. I can open it, and there's a graphical interface for it. So the team has worked on this diligently for months and months and has done a fantastic job. And now that it's been kind of in alpha stage, if we look at the milestones here, we started with 0.0.3 and now it's getting to, what's the team looking at? 0.0.1, so very early on. So it's just getting to a point now where it's not completely alpha anymore. It's ready to kind of put it out there. There's already a documentation website out at jamdocs.org. Not sure if this was customized much. Looks like just like a standard installation of one of these documentation tools. And now the idea is also to have a proper splash page for the world. The GitHub doc repo is JoinMarket-WebUI. Here's kind of the logo. You can see it. It looks like there are multiple shapes, but it's really just one. A single line picks up the idea of, blurring things a little bit, which is what the tool is actually doing on the blockchain. And you can also download it, try it out locally if you're comfortable doing those things. There's a Figma file here, which was initially based on the Bitcoin UI kit, but then has been evolved quite a bit. So Eddie has been the master of this. I think he's done a really excellent job fleshing out all these designs, because you might think it might sound very straightforward, but the intricacies of privacy itself in CoinJoins, there's actually quite a lot of complexity to work through. But I think the team has done a great job working through this. And one of the fun things, they did come up with these graphics. So as you saw, the tool's called Jam, so it picks up the idea of cooking jelly here, and the jam classes here, which is a concept that's used to simplify how your coins are split up and how they're moved around while some of these coin joins happen. So there is a lot of really good stuff here, and now I think Eddie's probably on vacation, and so they're looking for someone to design a homepage for them, which, I think it's a really good opportunity for someone to hop in, make a cool landing page, pick up that style, use all the materials that are there, figure out what the content should be, and get it out there. So it would be cool. If you're interested, then just reach out and let me know. Thanks.